Okay, look guys, welcome quickly to this class. I want to show you how you can withdraw your DOG to your Binance. How you can withdraw your DOG to your Binance. So you open your DOG. If you've connected it with another wallet, you have to disconnect it. You disconnect it, then you connect it to Binance. Yeah, for you connected to Binance will give you like 200,000 20,000 points of DOGs, 20,000 points. Or if you are one of the late people that use Binance, that link Binance with DOG, you might get 10,000 points worth of DOG. So that is what they are doing right away. So you open your DOG. After it must have opened, you wait for it to load and you do all the necessary things. You link it with your Binance. I'm going to show you quickly. I don't know why it's showing like this for me. Let's see. So let's wait. Okay, so you open your DOG and you wait for it to open. Let's see. Good. So what you need to do for you to connect it, as you can see, I've connected it with another wallet. I need to connect it back to Binance. So I'm going to disconnect it. So you click here. After you must have finished clicking here, click on choose another option. Choose another option. Then it takes you to exchange. Click on exchange, click on it, then click on continue. After you must have clicked on continue, can you see Binance is saying that up to 20,000 DOG on the mainnet day. Okay, token generation day. That is mean of TGE, token generation day. You click on Binance. After you click on Binance, you click on send here. I'm sending it to my Binance. You have a Binance account. Please, before you do this, make sure you have a Binance account and that Binance account is verified. Make sure you have a Binance account and make sure that Binance account is verified with your national identity card or your BVN, whichever one they request for. So if you have not yet done your BVN your verification, your KYC, don't use this method. You can use other Bygate or Telegram wallets the way I explained in the previous video. So you click on I have it. Now, for you to be able to use Binance, you must go and copy the DOG deposit address. That is number one. Then number two, you must copy the memo. DOG deposit address and memo, they must correspond. If they don't correspond, you copy another wrong DOG from Binance. That is how you will miss all your DOG airdrops. It will disappear. You won't be able to receive anything again. So make sure you are copying the right DOG wallet address and memo. Okay. Now, how I'm going to do it? I'm going to open my Binance right away now. This is my Binance. This is my Binance here. So you come to wallet. Click on wallet. After you come to wallet, you click on wallet. You go to deposit. Look for deposit. So you click on deposit. After you must have clicked on deposit. So let me look for deposit. I don't know why my own is showing like this. Deposit, yes, this is it. Click on deposit. Your own might not show like this in case. So maybe you should update your app. Click on deposit crypto. After you must have finished clicking on deposit crypto, you come to search here. Click on search. Then type DOGS. DOGS. Please, there are a lot of DOGS on Binance, but the way you know the right one, if you click on it now, can you see it must bring out this for you, Toncoin. Choose network, it must bring out Toncoin for you. Can you see Toncoin, which means that this is the right one? And you click here, click it. So after you click here, let me click on it, click on it, and once you click on it, can you see important, both memo and an address are required to successfully deposit your DOGs to Binance. Click on OK. Now, this is my own wallet address. This is my own deposit address. Can you see? And it is the network is Toncoin. Make sure your own network is Toncoin. Please Then this is my wallet address. This is my memo. This is my memo. So all I have to do is to copy this link here. I will click on copy here, and I will also click on copy here. So I first of all click on copy here. I will copy my wallet address. I will minimize, go to my DOG, paste it here. I've pasted it. I will now go back to my Binance again, copy my memo. So just click here, click here. Your memo is copied successfully. You minimize, come to your DOG, paste it there, and you click on send. And once you click on send, you see it's asking, is it correct? Yes, it is correct. I also KYC passed only. Exchanges required to verify your identity before trading. Yes, mine has been verified. So you click on I confirm. I confirm. If yours is not verified, please don't use this method. Okay, deposit in progress. Now be ready for the listing on August 23. Actually, the listing has been postponed till the 26th of August because they want this DOG people to use all these exchange platforms equally. That is why I think because Binance just announced that their DOG will be listed on Binance yesterday or a day ago. Okay, become AWOF, and that is that. Can you see it's now showing Binance? All right, guys. So this is how to withdraw into your Binance account, and that is all you need to know. Thank you for this class. If you believe you've gotten value from this video, you can hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. In case I drop videos of other great projects, verified projects, you'll be informed. Drop a comment in the comment section, like this video, share this video. Please share this video, so that it can reach as many people that are in need of this such video. Thank you, and see you at the other end. Bye for now.